Hey guys, here is a new idea. Take a glass bottle, paint it with the primer. This will help in binding the paint. Let it dry. I have used 3:1 ratio of white and pink paint to get pastel pink color. You can choose your desired color. Once I started painting, this is my first layer of painting, and you'll see how it look like after the first layer. This is how it look likes, and I started painting my second layer. I just wanted to use in another color at the bottom, which looks much better using two colors in one bottle, which gives you a different look. So I painted only on the top area, and this is my third layer of painting. I've decided to use the mustard color at the bottom of the bottle, and this is how it looked like. I was not happy with the color, so I decided to use the gold color spray paint, which have turned out beautiful, and this is how it looked like. So I was happy with the outcome. So I started to paint my fourth layer. You can see a gradual difference between the first layer, second layer, and the third layer. And this is the fourth layer, so you can find a very nice texture on the bottle compared to the first one. And this is how it looks like, and I really like the output. Here I am making some green leaves from the green color A4 papers, and here are the instructions you can follow. You can use newspaper straws or the normal green color straws, and I have stapled it, or you can use glue if required, and this is how it look like at the end. I really like the output. If you like the idea, do like, share and subscribe to S19 Creations. Thank you.